story. Pandi learns to pack a bag. Pandi is excited to go to the park with Bobo and Luna. Pandi notices that the backpack still needs to be packed. Bobo gently reminds Pandi to pack helpful things before leaving. Pandi puts a yellow sun hat and a small wipes pack to the backpack. Pandi adds a blue water bottle and a red apple into the backpack. Pandi closes the backpack and feels proud to be ready. At the park, Pandi is happy to have the backpack ready. Pandi learns that packing a bag helps the day go smoothly. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.